And this video is going to be a little different. One of my daughters actually asked if she could make a video about flying her drone, about being safe with it. So hers is one of these little micro, tiny whoop copy things. Cheapy, $20 Christmas stocking stuffer. So stay tuned.
Hi, this is my first drone video. Me and my dad are going to explain how to work a drone. Hi, this is my first drone video. Me and my dad are going to explain how to take care of a drone. Let's get started. First, we're going to start out with a mini drone. This is the controller of the drone. So you cannot throw the drone or step on it. You must be careful with the mini drone because it is small enough that people cannot see it. It is this small, but some people can see it. On the back here is a place where you put the battery. You put the little plug in here where it makes the battery actually help it fly. So then you put the other part of the battery right in this part. So here are other parts. So these are parts of, now we're going to talk about the parts of the controller. Now the controller has a lot of parts. This is where you turn it on. You go like that. When it does that, you go up, then down. There's a red button up there. It just signals you that it's on. And there are two pieces of the drone that are colors. There is a blue and a red. The red has a sign that it is in the back of you. You must fly it with the red facing you or the drone will come at you. The blue is the facing forward. So it faces forward so that you can go forward. So this is to go up and down. If you make it go all the way up, that means that your drone's gonna go all the way up to the wall, ceiling, and then it's going to hit the ceiling, come down, and then do it over again. So you need to practice with that. Put it in the middle, you might be able to hover it, which hovering means you can then do a flip. This is how you're going to control it to move. Left, right, up, down. This button right here is to flip it. When you can hover, that means you can start flipping. My dad taught me how to flip when I could hover. Hovering is when you're a few feet in the air and it can stay there for a few seconds. Do not click this when you have this. You have to be a professional flyer to click it because that means you're going to go faster. You do not want that if you're not a professional and a beginner for drone flying. These buttons, I do not know what they do, but I bet I can learn what they do when my dad thinks I'm ready to know. So when it says off here and on here, you just switch that, do that. That's all you really have to do. So that's the controller. Let's talk more about this. Let's talk about how to take care of it. To take care of it, you must not step on it or like what I said. You can't put the up and down controller go all the way up. It'll go right to the floor. And guess what? This is what it sounds like when it goes to the floor. Yeah, okay. I learned this when I once dropped it. So once I was really stuck. Once I dropped it and it landed like this, where this part was showing. So then I learned how to make it go back up. So first, where the battery is, you take out that part, then you plug it back in. And then you turn this off, turn it off, then turn the controller back on, just like I showed you. Go like that, that. That's all. That's all you need to do. When it acts like this, this is how it acts when you drop it like that and it goes on the ground. It thinks that it's right side up, but it's right side down. So it goes like this. Just like that. That's what it does. So when that happens, that's all you have to do.
I hope you folks had just as much fun watching that as I did producing it. We did record probably 2 more videos after that particular day. Still got some other things I need to shoot with her so that we can get the full story. But go ahead and give it a like. You know, it's something that she knows that I do as far as the YouTube thing here, and not just that, but the drone stuff as well. And she's really taken an interest to it. So give it a like, hit a subscribe button for me. I would appreciate it. Check out the links if you would, and thanks for watching.